How to like Instagram story with the new update. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to like an Instagram story with the new Instagram update. What we need to do first is to head into the Instagram app on the phone. And when you're on the Instagram app, make sure that you click here to be taken to the home page where you can see all the stories. And now I'm going to simply pick a random Instagram story in this feed up here. Now, when I'm in here, I need to click on the heart icon in the bottom right corner, as you can see. As you can see, I have now liked the Instagram story, and if I for some reason want to undo it, I just need to find that story once again and then click on the heart icon again, and as you can see, the like is no longer there. So this is how to like Instagram story with the new update. If this helped you out, then I would appreciate if you could leave a like on this video, comment if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I'm doing these kind of helpful videos every day. Thank you for watching and have a good day.